you know, asking standard questions as part of your contact lens clinic will pick up any patient that is sitting in that initial stage of Clyde. You know, like there is this, it's kind of like a chicken and egg problem here, because are you going to constantly ask about it, or are you going to wait till the patient is actually having symptoms so you can then address the symptoms and manage that? Or are we going to manage the patient while they don't even have the symptoms? It's kind of like this problem, right? Because you want to be as early on as possible. Sorry, this slide looks, by the way, a little bit busy. I'm quite happy to just share these links with you later on, but it is actually interesting to start incorporating maybe a validated questionnaire, so you will be able to act sooner and hopefully prevent dropout, right? Because I am still surprised how much dropout there is, considering the investment of manufacturers in producing newer materials, newer designs. So maybe there's something that we can do as clinicians. So although these particular questionnaires, this list is not exhaustive at all, these are all good. There are pros and cons to all of them. Let me just go just really short over it. So there's a speed questionnaire, which was designed by Tier Science. It's very quick. And what it does, it takes fluctuations of dry eye symptoms into consideration. So, you know, it talks about today, in the last 3 days, and over the last 3 months. So that's an interesting to see when the patient is actually experiencing issues. This is a little bit blurry. I'm so sorry about that. The contact lens dry eye questionnaire has 8 short questions, and it's able to assign a category of Clyde positive, Clyde negative, or marginal. So that would be really helpful, because you can also, you know, see over time any change. And you could decide that you're going to manage particularly those with a Clyde positive, obviously, and maybe those are already sitting on the marginal. The Berkeley dry eye flowchart, that's specifically designed for Clyde. It categorizes individuals into one of 5 Clyde categories based on the presence or the absence of dryness sensation during the contact lens wear, the perception of discomfort, and the frequency in which the dryness symptoms interfere with daily activities, for example, reading or using a PC. And the OSDI is obviously very well known. It's not specifically for Clyde though. But what is really interesting about this particular questionnaire is that if you're interested in patient health-related quality of life, this is definitely the best choice for you to use.